How to purchase a phone number. This video walks you through the process of buying a phone number for your account. We are going to purchase a phone number in just 4 steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is opening the Add Phone Number module. To purchase a new phone number, head over to the phone numbers page where you can see all your existing numbers listed out. Kick things off by clicking the Add New Number button in the top right corner to open up the purchase modal. The Add Phone Number modal is now open. Let's explore the Vobis provider options to see the available numbers offered through this provider. Vobis is selected by default, so you'll see its available Indian local numbers load up right away. You've now reviewed the available provider options. Let's go to the next step, which is configuring country and region filters to narrow down the numbers based on your location preferences. To configure your filters, open up the country drop-down where you'll see India selected as the default. Next, open the region drop-down to pick from options like all regions, Gujarat or Karnataka based on where you want your number to be based. Once your filters are set, hit the search numbers button to pull up all the available options. The country and region filters are now set. Let's move on to browsing available numbers to see which options match our criteria. Take a moment to scroll through the list of available numbers. You'll see details for each one, including the call forwarding status, area code, country, and monthly price, so you can pick the one that best fits your needs. Once you've spotted a number you like, hit the purchase button next to it to move forward. A confirm purchase window will pop up showing the number, country, area code, and price for your review. For now, let's close this by clicking the X icon since we still want to explore other provider options before committing. The list of available numbers from Vobis is now visible. Let's go to the next step, which is switching to the Plivo provider to compare the available numbers and pricing options. To compare options from a different provider, switch over by selecting Plivo from the providers list on the left. Give it a moment while the system pulls up all the available numbers from Plivo for you to browse. The Plivo provider is now active. Let's go to the next step, which is adjusting country and region selections to find numbers that match our target location. To adjust your search, open the country drop-down and pick United States with the +1 code. Give it a moment and the platform will pull up a fresh list of US numbers for you. Let's switch things up by opening that country drop-down again, this time going with India. Since Plivo supports regional filtering for India, open the region drop-down where you can either keep all regions or narrow it down to something like Karnataka. Take a moment to scroll through the available Indian numbers and see what Plivo has on offer. With our country and region filters set, let's go to the next step, which is selecting and confirming a number from the list of available options. To select a number, hit the purchase button next to the one you want to buy. A confirmation modal will pop up so you can review your choice and go ahead and hit confirm purchase to lock it in. We've confirmed our selected number and can see the total amount. Let's move on to choosing a payment method, where we'll pick the option that works best for completing this purchase. To choose a payment method, you'll see this modal pop up with your total amount. If you have a discount code, enter it into the coupon field and scroll down to view the available payment options. For this purchase, go with the Pay with Razorpay option, which supports UPI, cards, and net banking. The Razorpay payment window has now opened with your price summary displayed. Let's go to the next step, which is navigating the Razorpay gateway, where you'll enter your card details to complete the subscription payment securely. To navigate the Razorpay gateway, give it a moment to load up securely. Once loaded, you'll see the Razorpay payment window with a price summary on the left and payment options on the right. From here, you can pay using a saved card, add a new one, or set up a mandate for recurring payments. To proceed, you'd normally fill in your card details and hit continue. Since we're just demonstrating the flow here, clicking continue without any details will trigger a validation error. To back out of the gateway, hit the close icon at the top and confirm by selecting Yes, exit on the pop-up. The payment gateway is now ready for your card details. Let's go to the next step, which is exiting and returning to the phone numbers page to wrap up the process. Once the payment flow is done, close the Add Phone Number modal by clicking the X icon in the top corner. And that's it. You're back on the phone numbers page, where your newly purchased number will be ready to use for your campaigns. And just like that, you're back on the phone numbers page. You've picked a number, paid for it, and added it to your account. Give it a try yourself, and you'll see how quick it really is.